Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be going camping. Hopefully we'll be hiking, also exploring and just hanging out around the campsite. So let's get right into it. So I went ahead and packed up some basic things and stuff like that. So let me flip the camera around. So we got some basic stuff set up here, like basic clothes, the thing I'll be wearing tomorrow, stuff like that, all this stuff. So I'm going to get this thing, all this clothes packed up and let the trip begin.
Hanging on, walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad, bad at best. Foolish notions, foolish lies.
Alright guys, so we got to the reception area.
The number on the back is the gate code. At 9 p.m. we lock the main gate to the car.
Alright, so we just got to our spot. It looks very nice.
It's pretty nice.
So let me switch over the camera so you guys can see all around. But it's very,
The view's really nice, peaceful.
it's very cool.
See the water in the back?
Very far. Well, we'll try to get some fishing done. But there's our dad walking. So we're going to try to unload stuff and get the tent set up, and
Get it nice
we'll
and
see.
cozy.
Yeah, we'll see what fun we can start up. Look at Ava posing over there. Let's try to look fun. But look at this. The tent's pretty big on the inside. We're going to get this thing filled up and stuff like that. Get the car unloaded. But
What do you think? Easy to set up, right?
Yeah.
see, he's very proud of the just bought a new tent.
Yeah.
And it just pops up. So he's very excited about it. So we're going to go ahead and set up the full thing and show you guys in just a second. All right, so we got our campsite set up here. So look at the tent. The tent's pretty good. Of course, that's filthy and messy. But look at this. Look at this. We're getting hammocks set up and all that. And Maggie's enjoying herself. But look at the view. I mean, of course, the trees are covered like crazy. But I mean, just look at that. And of course, there's a bunch of firewood options. So we'll definitely grab some firewood and all that. But we're going to move the table here. That's all our jump. But look at the inside of our tent. We did pretty good setting this up.
It was only about, how long? 20, 15 minutes?
Yeah, it took us too long to set this tent up. Inside here. It took us quite a bit of time to set this mattress up. So, crazy stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it there. So, it's pretty good. As soon as we get the place fully set up, go exploring, find some firewood, and maybe do some fishing today. Not sure. And stuff like that. So, we'll kind of just go with the flow. It's kind of what we usually do. But we'll catch you as soon as we do some more stuff. Yeah, we grabbed some firewood. We almost fell down. I'm trying to get, it was not in the camera. There you go. Yeah, we almost fell down like 3 times. It's really a hill. We will, of course, get some more stuff like that. But I know you guys don't want to just see us get firewood all the time. So, at least we got that. We'll see what else we can do, though. Alright, so we're going exploring. I don't know what we'll find. But, yeah, we'll see what we'll find, basically. That's the bathroom over there.
So you didn't go down the hill? No, I did. We went all the way down here, okay, and then we stopped there.
Why did you not keep going if you could?
You should have brought that kayak.
How come they don't? I mean, there are spots.
How are there no fish over here?
Yeah, I know.
Like, come on. Gosh, if I was a fish, I'd be over here.
Hey, for bass, like, that's crazy.
Whoa, is this a man-made?
I think so.
No, this is Lake Q.
Oh, so it's not man-made?
Oh, there's a local fisherman right down there.
That's where you have the kayak and camp thing.
And that's my house over there.
The lake is pretty nice. The lake is very nice. Look at this. Oh, he's breaking the law. But look at this. It's very nice. I'm gonna bust myself getting over here. Okay.
And go break the law.
You got fried bass all the rocks.
We got treasure.
Somebody come on.
Oh, there should be bass all along the rocks and stuff. There's some people kayaking way down there. Maybe they're panting like crazy, but here's the whole lake. Oh, there's the boat landing over here. Look at this. Right down there. Little stuff. There's a lot of cool things. Oh, look at this. So we flip the camera. Water is pretty. There's some rocks and stuff like that. Nothing too crazy. Oh, you stole a bobber?
That's what I thought.
Oh. Wow. Crazy stuff. It's very nice spot. So we got back to the campsite. I guess we're just gonna chill for the first day. Ava's over here laying down. She's fine. I don't know, but yeah, we're probably just gonna chill out, probably eat some dinner, enjoy the fire.
Why is he filming me grabbing wood?
Is it gonna rain tomorrow? Probably is.
This is your.
What are you doing?
All right, we got the fire done. So you know what that means. It's time to chill. Here is a tip. So when your firewood is wet, just stick it by the fire to dry it out, and it should be fine.
Oh, this thing's way too big.
No, you don't want to do it. No, I don't want to do it. Okay, ready? Oh, you did get it. No, you did. There did.
Are you struggling to open it?
No, they're open. I was just gonna get it up wider. chili dog?
Yeah. Chili and put the...
Why'd you pack those?
I need a fork or something.
I should have brought the air fryer out here. Imagine.
You could have.
Actually.
Thank you for today. Thank you for getting us up here safe. Please let us have a good time the remainder of the time. Keep us safe. Thank you for all you provide for us. Name Amen.
Alright guys, we just finished eating. Now is a time where we sit by the fire and chill until the night ends.
What's your head looking at the tent? Hey Maggie. Maggie.
Alright guys, it's now the end of the night. We're going to go ahead and head to sleep and see you guys in the morning. Alright, good morning. The night was alright. It was a little cold, but the sleeping bag was nice. My nose was stuffed up the entire time and still is, which is not exactly fun. But it's a little cold right now, not too bad. It should be warming up today. The plan is for today, we don't even know, go with the flow. But I'm going to go in and get a fire going and get warmed up. This thing here, it's a match. It looks pretty nice. All you do is take it and match it and throw it in the fire. So we're going to try that for the first time. Yeah, burned my fingers off. It's gone.
Put it out.
Attempt to light it again. Got one. It's going to burn the fingers. And it's burning out. Right? Oh. There we go. Now with the fire made, we usually just chill now until breakfast, and we'll see what the plan is for the rest of the day is. Alright guys, what usually me and Ava do as soon as someone leaves a campsite, we go raid it for firewood. So here we go. Let's see what type of stuff we can get here. Make sure he's got one completely. He's got a little bit. So, good little pieces here. There's this little bit of charcoal over there. It's a waste of raid. Let me flip the camera. Alright guys, we have yanked some firewood here. Gotta quickly go just in case he comes back because he forgot something. Raid has been successful. Let's go. Back to sitting on fire. Okay.
posting because I'm posting every single day.
Alright guys, breakfast was pretty good. I think the plan for today is we're probably going to go to the dollar store. That's around here to get maybe new pillows because our pillows sucked. And we're also going to maybe pick up medicine or something. I don't know. My nose is stuffed up. It's a little better now. But we're probably going to go hiking, and we heard that there's some spots near the hike that we can fish. So we're going to try to do that today and take you guys along with us. We don't know, so we'll just go with the flow like always. Alright guys, we're now headed out somewhere. We'll figure it out as soon as we get there, but of course we'll take you guys along. Alright, we just finished in dollar store. We got 2 pillows, some medicine for my nose, and also Takis. Let's see what our next step is on this trip. Alright guys, we stopped by this Long Shoals recreational area. Oh no, here, let me flip the camera. It looks like this. Ain't too bad. So, yeah, we'll try to figure it out the best we can do. But we got the Maggie walking, everything, so we'll figure it out. I do hear water. I'm not sure if it picks up on the... Oh yeah, look at this. You guys can see it way down there. You can. Oh yeah, you could have just parked way down there. It's not too bad. It looks very nice. I don't see any trout though. It reminds me of somewhere in Oconee that we went to once.
That's where you can get the swim. That's where you fish down and then you float down.
I don't see any trout though, but it looks like the hellhole area though. Yeah, there's nothing. I guess this place is mostly for swimming. I mean, it's kind of warm, but I wouldn't swim at this time of year. I'm not that big into swimming. Yeah, let's get some angles here. That's very nice. It's very nice. It's a very nice day. It's not good for my dyed hair because it's going to start to fade because the sunlight don't like red hair apparently. But it's very nice. It's very nice. Here, let's catch up to the family here. There's not really much down here, but I'm guessing this place is mainly just a place to hang out. I guess probably swim in the summertime, but fishing, I would not think about it because I didn't see any trout in there, and plus there's no place for the trout to get in there unless they flop down the waterfall. So not much. I guess we'll go in and hit back the car, drive some more, get to wherever we were planning on going, which you guys will see in a little bit. So catch you guys then. All right, yeah, we did decide to walk up the waterfall. It's very nice. Here, let me flip the camera. Stepping in a bunch of little tadpoles, or those look like frogs.
Those are bigger tadpoles up here. See that one?
Those like endless holes.
Ew, that's scary.
See it?
That looks pretty cool. This is very nice. Look at that big rock up there. That looks cool. I'll walk all the way up. But fishing, no. It's not exactly a good idea. Look at that, the water comes from there. Very nice. So let's see the little Maggie here. See, she's enjoying the nice cold water. She's been walking all day. Crazy stuff. Let's see if we can get an angle of this thing here. Let's get a better close-up of the rock. Let's see here. Ah. Ooh. Make sure not to slip. Alright, look at this. Look at this. This is cool. Let's see if we can get across here. Then when I take the... Well, let's just get up to this one spot right up here. Walk by steps, but whoa. This is beautiful, guys. There's some weird thing there like that will work. Very nice. Oh yeah. Very cool, very cool. But that's basically about it. Now we're gonna head to the car. We did find a little hike near the area. I'm not gonna film a lot of it because it's literally just walking. But if we see a significant point, I'll of course film it for you guys. And yeah, look out for some waterfalls. Let's see. We made it to like a little waterfall here. It's pretty nice. Not much to really see, but we had to climb all the way up from there. Go around. It looks really good. Not really too much. You can't really get down there. But at least that's here, so guess we'll continue on hiking. Here's another little waterfall over here. This probably is the last one, I think. Maggie's over there trying to climb up there. It's pretty nice. No rocks or anything, no amphibians. Maggie's over there scrambling. That's pretty nice. I guess we're probably gonna head back now. We've been walking for some time, so yeah, let's probably get back to the car and see what else we'll do today. All right, we did end up going back to the campsite just to chill out. If there is anything else that we can do, we'll probably look it up and of course take you guys along. But for now, we always like to chill. After that, you know, just enjoy nature, sit down, all the good stuff. But if there's anything else, of course, we'll film it, take you guys along. But for now, resting is good. So we decided to kind of just sit at the campsite, kind of chill. Wait for the evening. Just kind of just listen to music, nothing too much. Dad is now heating up chili that he cooked, pre-cooked for today. So it was a pretty good time. But we're just gonna finish up the day. We're gonna eat. We're gonna sit by the fire and go to sleep. And hope tomorrow we'll go hiking. So really not much to really cover. But it was a pretty good day walking around and seeing some waterfalls. So. yeah, I think we'll probably go ahead and cut the day and get to the next one. See you guys then. Alright guys, good morning. Welcome to the last full day of our camping trip. Today the plan is we're going to go on a hike. It's about 4.4 miles, maybe about 3 hours, which will be very, very fun. Of course, I will be taking you guys along with me, but we're going to go ahead and get breakfast set up and also the fire because it is quite cold. It's colder than yesterday. It's a little windy, but I think we can get a nice fire going. So let's get that so I can start warming myself up. Right.
Yeah.
Not here. Alright guys, we did finish up eating, and we did also make some sandwiches that we're going to take on the hike. It's going to be very, very fun. It's still a little bit cold, but nothing too crazy. So let's go ahead and get in the car and get ready on this long trek. Alright guys, we got out of the car and we're on the hike now. We have a pretty good walk. We are taking the same trail that we did yesterday, but it branches off to the other trail. Nah, that's 3 hours. So basically taking the same thing. So we'll probably start filming everything once we pass those 2 waterfalls from yesterday that you guys seen. And it should be pretty cool looking, but the path is very simple. It's all sandy. Maybe flip the camera. See, it's nothing too bad. It's very, very peaceful. Very nice looking. But the trek is not that hard at all. At least for me. It's not that bad. It's pretty good for exercise. So I guess we'll go ahead and get to the first place. As soon as we hit the cross line, we'll start filming, because that's basically new footage. So yeah, we'll continue filming from there. Alright guys, we just passed the sign right here. So, yeah, we're basically going this way now. This is all basically new food. We passed the 2 waterfalls, a little bridge, and all that stuff. But we are now on the trail that we have not explored yet. Yeah, it'd be pretty fun. It's not really too steep. It's mainly just like roots and stuff. Going like all the way up, so you're just stepping around a bunch of roots, which is kind of painful, but it ain't bad. Cause you probably got like the first 30 minutes down on the trek. Nothing too bad. Definitely warmed up quite some time. But it's very nice. Very, very nice. We passed a huge group of people earlier, so I'm glad we weren't behind them, because that would not be fun. We can at least enjoy nature and the sound of Maggie panting really hard. She's walking up now. Nothing really interesting going on here, so I'll probably cut the camera until you've passed something that's interesting, like a waterfall or a good scenic view. Alright, we have been hiking for some time now. I am tired. It's because it's been all uphill. We encountered a map here. We can either take going up that way or going down. I'm more interested in going up, but I'm not sure. You can't see the mountains way back there. Yeah, I think we'll figure out what we'll do. What do you want to do? Go up? Guess we're going up, guys. More uphill work. The greatest stuff ever. Greatest stuff. I think we'll be just fine.
But you know what?
Alright, we're making a decision here.
Let's go down.
We're going down. We're going down, guys. We're going down. Don't look too bad. Guess people are too weak to go up. Just got to the part to where we could just now see the lake that we were going to overview, but it's not the ultimate height that we were trying to reach, but it looks pretty good. Nothing too bad. So let's keep on hiking and get to the main spot. Alright guys, we did end up reaching our location. It's a nice overview of the lake here. It's very nice, very nice. Let me switch the camera so you guys can see this awesome view fully. Super nice. It was definitely worth the hike because we can now just sit down, relax, look at the lake. You know, nothing too bad. Just looking down is definitely interesting. Nothing too bad. Just a pretty big drop there. Overall, it's pretty nice. Now we got to hike all the way back, or at least complete the loop. So that will definitely be fun, but definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. It took about maybe an hour to get up here. Now we got to go all the way around the part that we were decided to not go down on, and it'll be all downhill from there. So not too bad. So I guess we'll probably sit here, take a easy water break, probably have a quick snack, and head all the way back around and up the other spot. So see you guys on that trail.
No. Owen.
Guys, while on the trail, I did find this awesome quartz rock. I'm so happy. But here, we kind of made it to this little point here. It's very low on the ground, but it's... They're pretty cool. I'll stick this thing in my backpack. And yeah, we'll add more weight to my load, but you know, it'll be all right. Yeah, we're still kind of hiking back. We still probably got halfway to go back to the car. Yeah, we'll be walking for a good and long hour. So yeah, let's keep on walking. All right, guys, we decided to sit by the little waterfall that we went to earlier and eat the sandwiches that our dad made. So we're gonna head back to the car right after this and either go back to the campsite or do something else, but we'll make an update as soon as we get to the car. We're gonna enjoy this sandwich. The hike was definitely hard. It was mainly uphill for like a very long time and then all the way downhill. It was crazy. So, you know, we're gonna take a break, eat some snacks, head back to the car. Alright guys, we just got back to the car. We were defeated for all the exercise, but it was good. So the plan is now we're probably gonna get some sherbet or something if we can find a place. If not, we'll just head back to the campsite. Yay! Alright guys, we just got back to the campground. We did pick up some ice cream from the dollar store because that was the only place that was in the area. But for now, I think the plan is it's like just about 4 o'clock. There's not really much more we can really do. So we're probably just gonna sit back in the campsite, chill out for our last hours, you know, relax, eat the ice cream and just chill and eat dinner basically. But that's basically the plan for now. So yeah, time to chill.
Show me flatten it out. There was a day. Oh, you're wasting the juices.
Oh, I died.
You got 108,
No, I got 105.
and you didn't get past me.
No, it showed everybody else. Oh wait, come here. They made me sad. Oh, come here.
Alright guys, we just finished eating. It's pretty good, but we're just gonna sit by the fire, probably do some s'mores. We're not gonna film any of that because it'll be way too dark for camera, but we're probably just gonna go to sleep right after. So yeah, so we're probably just gonna cut the day now, and I'll pick you guys up in the morning that we leave, to close the video. Alright guys, good morning. We have everything packed up and ready to go home. The trip was definitely a fun one. The hiking was awesome. The camping site was beautiful and peaceful. Fire was good. The temperatures were not bad, but it was definitely comfortable. The sleeping was nice. So yeah, we definitely had a lot of fun. And it was definitely fun taking you guys along with it. Thank you guys so much for watching the first vlog video that we ever did. So guys, like up the video, notifications, subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and also, guys, join the Discord server down the link below. We do live stream as much as we can. I usually schedule it out. So look forward to that, guys. But look forward to more of these trip vlogs, more just life vlogs. We're going to be doing more of those. And just enjoy my content, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And peace out.